Assuming a friend is planning to launch a mobile library service around your community. Utilizing the central limit theorem, how can you analyze which book genres and authors would likely draw more interest from the local population, ensuring the success of the mobile library? To approach this problem using the central limit theorem, you would follow these steps: gather data, collect data on book preferences from a sample of your community. This could involve surveys, interviews, or analyzing borrowing patterns from existing libraries or bookstores. Sample distribution: the idea is to take multiple samples from the collected data. For example, you might divide the data into different samples based on age groups, locations within the community, or other demographic factors. Each sample could give you average preferences for those subgroups. Apply the CLT. The central limit theorem states that if you take sufficiently large random samples from a population, the distribution of the sample means will be approximately normally distributed, regardless of the population's distribution. Analyze results. By looking at the distribution of average preferences for different genres and authors across your samples, you can predict which ones are likely to be more popular in the community as a whole. Make decisions. Use the insights gained from your analysis to select the genres and authors for the mobile library. The goal is to cater to the most common preferences identified through your sampling, thereby ensuring the mobile library's success in engaging the community. Consider variability. Keep in mind the variability within your sample means. The CLT also provides information on how much the sample means vary, which can help you understand the confidence you can have in your results. By utilizing the CLT in this manner, you can make informed decisions about which book genres and authors will most likely be successful in attracting readers, thereby increasing the likelihood of the mobile library's success in your community.